Hi everybody, and welcome back to Ugly Dog Lures. If you're new here, we just want to welcome you. We do lives every Thursday night at 6 Mountain Standard Time. Tonight we're going to do something just a little bit different. I'll prime this in medium gray. It's transparent from Createx, and I put multiple coats. It's going to be a pretty fast little paint, but it's going to be something different color wise as I've ever done before. So we're going to wrap this bait with our tool. Get a good wrap on it, good tight wrap. Gonna have a dark belly on this bait, but we're gonna do some couple of little different things. Is for this one, simple paint. Let me get that pulled a little tighter there before Melissa gets on to me. Simple little paint. So like I said, we got our transparent medium gray on this bait. Dang, allergies is going nuts, folks.
I think it's all the feathers in the shot.
It's a freaking 80-mile-an-hour winds out there. Then we're going to go with a pearl blue over this medium gray. Simple paint. I think y'all really like the outcome of it. Then we're going to put some dots on it, but we're going to put some different dots on it. So I think it's a fast little paint. Everybody's asking me for simple little paints. This is going to be a simple little paint that's going to look pretty freaking sharp when you get it all finished. We'll probably go back with a gunmetal glitter into this bait, and we're going to be using these. And y'all will see what this is here in just a minute. Melissa could probably tell you the name of it.
Holographic vinyl.
Holographic vinyl. Yeah, I left the belly medium gray. Something different y'all had never seen come out of this shop. I'm grasping for straws today, folks. I don't feel very good. I think the dirt is just tearing me a new one.
Well, that's pretty good for not feeling very good.
Yeah, I know. I still do okay even when I don't feel real great. So that's pretty cool.
Very pretty.
It's going to be totally different, and it's going to be a simple paint like y'all been asking me for you guys that are just starting your tool. This stuff right here you can pick up at Hobby Lobby.
Nope.
I mean Joann's. You can go to the website at Joann's. I'm so used to saying Hobby Lobby because I'm there about twice a week.
I know. We should buy stock in Hobby Lobby.
I know it. But this is a very useful tool. So please, if you don't have some, pick it up. Or once we get our website up, we'll be selling it on our website. Melissa's working on that. We're trying to figure out what in the world to do right now. I've got people call me every day looking for stuff. Yeah, just something different. Pretty cool. This has been machine cut into little bitty circles for me. And this is what we're going to make our shad dot out of. We're going to come back about 1/2 inch and about halfway down the lateral line and put our shad dot on there. That's going to really, really shine in the water.
So is that one of those that they eat because they're hungry or because they chase because they're mad about their territory?
Yeah, all the above.
Oh, okay.
So you guys that hadn't used this stuff, you got a cricket, you can cut all of this. You most certainly can. See there?
Shiny.
It's a simple pattern. Use whatever colors you want. This is just what I felt like doing today was a medium gray and some blue. So that's what I did. There's a million color combinations you could do that particular bait with. And it looks pretty good. It really does. Not too bad for an old person. Use whatever color eyes you want on them. It's just your creativity. Batman. I'm gonna put yellow eyes on this one. And we'll throw some epoxy on him. It's just a fast little paint. I'd already prepped the medium gray on it when I was priming lures in here this morning. I filled the clothesline back up with prime baits ready to be painted for future episodes. This thing would look good with the greens on it, reds on it. Any of those colors it would look very nice with. But I chose blue. So we'll throw some epoxy up on here. Today we'll be using BSI epoxy like most every day.
Did you put a watermark on it?
I haven't yet, but I knew it was coming. So, get a little bit of water here. We'll put a watermark on it before I get in more trouble. Mm-hmm. I'm always in trouble.
Always.
Always in trouble. No, Batman. Put that dude in there and let him soak for a minute. Or 17.
It's 17 minutes.
Mm-hmm. Maybe you drank a good old unsweet tea.
Mm-hmm.
Put our watermark right here between the hooks on the bottom. On this one. Right there she goes, right between the hooks.
Nice.
Most of the time I can't remember to do that. So what I'm doing is I'm just warming that epoxy up just a little bit because it is very cold out today here in our part of the world.
I thought it was kind of nice until the wind started blowing.
Yep. Get our gunmetal glitter over here. It was a lot nicer this morning than it is right now. That's all I can tell you. So,
Yikes.
I hope everybody had a very Merry Christmas. We had a pretty good Christmas, so I got me some stuff. Melissa got some new boots.
Who's got a fish fryer?
I got a fish fryer. A big outside one. Now I gotta go fishing and catch some crappie.
Agreed.
Well, we done with them epoxies. Good thing I got another set sitting right up here already ready to go. Just add a little bit of glitter. Just get a little bit of shine on that bait. Besides the holographic hooky majickies we put on there.
You put hooky majickies?
I put hooky majickies on there. Kind of a cool bait. It's somewhat different from anything I've painted in here. Other than using tool, and that's something that I use almost daily on some baits. Is tool, because that's a very good thing to have in your arsenal. Is that tool. Fast, simple, and it will be effective. So I'm going to do some baits here pretty quick, and I'm going to do bloodline in them. I think y'all enjoy that. They put bloodlines in a lot of soft plastic baits. Takes a pretty good soft plastic person to be able to put bloodlines in them, or have the right tools, you know. But I wanted to do that in some hard baits, so I'm just going to do that in some hard baits. I'll probably get me a pen and draw them in. I think they'll be pretty cool. Simple paints. What y'all wanted to see was simple. So that's what I'm going to do for the next couple of paints. And then we'll do something a little more extreme. So there we go, Miss Melissa. Simple little bait. Looks pretty dang good.
It does.
She's over there messing with her Gopey Propey. Me and Melissa's ready to get out of here and go fishing.
Yes, we are.
Well, there you go, folks. Simple little paint, what y'all asked for. Medium gray and pearl blue with shad dot on him. That will catch fish real quick.
That's pretty.
So just wanted to do something different with some different colors. So that's what we did today. Hang him back there to dry up. do some trash throwing there. So working on some baits. About all we're gonna do this week. I only have 3 more days of work, and I'm off for 12. And Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday, and I'm out of there. Kind of happy about that too. If y'all want to know the truth. Then I'm gonna get out here and really get painting. We got a big show coming up in March, and I want to take a lot of baits to that show. So I hope everybody has a very blessed week. If there's anything that we can do for you, just please email us at uglydoglures@gmail.com, and I'll try to answer them as fast as I can. So I hope you all have a very blessed day, and we'll catch you later.